Hello, savvy savers and spenders. It's Mr. Robertson here, and I want you to take better financial decisions. Today, we're uncovering the #1 thing keeping people broke. Spoiler alert, it's not your daily latte habit. It's where you live. That's right, folks. It's housing. Many people overspend on their living arrangements, leaving little room in their budgets for savings or investments. Financial experts recommend keeping housing costs to no more than 30% of your income. So if you're earning $50,000 a year, aim to spend no more than $15,000 annually on housing. Overshooting this can lead to financial strain and hinder your wealth-building journey. But fear not, there are ways to keep housing costs in check. Consider options like downsizing, relocating to a more affordable area, or even house hacking, renting out a portion of your home to offset expenses. Remember, the goal is to live within your means and allocate funds towards savings and investments. By managing housing expenses wisely, you're setting yourself up for financial success. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your finances. And always remember, I want you to take better financial decisions.